Airdog sells clean air through its air purifiers. This would be a great addition to your affiliate marketing portfolio. Great commissions are paid out to participants who take advantage of this opportunity. Check this out. Airdog products clean the polluted air that builds up inside a home. It is common knowledge that air inside the home can be 10 times more polluted than outside air. Many people realize this, and many people seek to clean the air in their homes from pollutants and germs that linger in the air they and their family breathes. Don't just sit there, you need to get in on the commissions being paid out for this product. Selling air purifiers can be very lucrative and pay you huge commissions, as you provide a product that so many people need. Those customers that buy air purifiers are very direct, they use very specific keywords when searching for this type of product. Air purifier related keywords are searched more than 368,000 times per month. Wow, think about that. This provides a great opportunity for you to earn high commissions selling these products using keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in prominent places all over the web. The average sell is around $999. Affiliates receive 7% for each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links high in search engine results. This is a great affiliate program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.